We select the app Display Asset Master worklist. If there are sufficient mandatory fields filled in, the worklist may already contain assets, otherwise we need to complete the selection fields. We can add more selection fields by clicking on the Adapt Filter button. In the pop-up, the fields that appear in the filter bar for selection have the box to the right selected. So to add another field, we just need to find it and select the box. In this case, I've selected the box for location. And as you can see, it's disappeared. If I click on the round tabs, for example, the assets in progress, the subset of the assets is shown in the table. I go back to Active Assets and then choose the Settings button. Here I can add or remove columns by selecting or deselecting the boxes, and there's quite a range to choose from. I will add the Profit Center and segment boxes, for example. I can adjust the size of the columns easily by dragging. You have to find the line to the left of the title to drag the whole column. You can see it's highlighted when I find the correct point. If I often want to see particular layouts, I can save the layout by clicking on the arrow next to the standard layout for the table. Note there's another layout at the top for the filters that I could also save. I click Save and give it a name. I can also set it as public so everyone can see it. And I can set it as my default so that it always opens this layout rather than the standard when I go into the app. You can see that the name of the new layout now shows instead of the standard. If I want to change an existing layout, I can go to Manage and either swap the default or select a different one. I can export the table to an Excel spreadsheet by using the Export to Spreadsheet button next to the Settings button. The button at the top right will allow me to send by email or save as a separate tile. In the Settings button, I can also switch to the Sort tab and choose one or more fields to sort by, either ascending or descending. Here I'm sorting first by company code and then by asset number. In the settings under Filter, I can also use various conditions to find data. I could also click on the titles of the headings for similar options. I can hide the filter bar to give me more space for the tables.